Roll ID PR 2023-04567. Confirm PR 20 against manifest. End caps and seal are intact, no moisture. Quality stamps verified. Proceed to storage.
Absorbency looks good.
Thickness is within spec.
Paper rolls ready for scan.
Verified. Proceed.
X-ray clear, no anomalies.
Conveyor clear. Tension at 4.2, holding steady. Copy. Alignment looks good. Confirmed. Tension stable at 4.2. Check the left edge for alignment. Looks good. Jogging is settling it. Probing now. All clear. Humidity is holding steady at 52%. Good. Let's check the sample. 6.8%, right on target. This edge is smooth, no fraying. Good. Let me record that. Next sheet looks good too. Okay, let's check one more. Pallet aligned, ready for feed. First sheet's going in, looks good. Settings locked, feeder active. Separation is perfect, no doubles.
Portrait area looks good, checking borders now. Registration is within spec, but cyan is drifting. Adjusting feed rate, watch the readings. Confirmed, all green now. Pulling a sample for color check.
Let's compare it to the master.
Scanning the portrait area now.
Readings are stable, log it. Confirmed. Next sheet. Adjusting zone 12 ink flow. Copy that. Watching the display. How's the reading now? It's stabilizing. Looks good. Confirmed. Next sheet should be perfect. Pallet in position, ready to load. Settings confirmed, vacuum at 80%.
First sheet feeding, looks good.
Alignment is perfect. Second sheet loaded. All systems go. At the critical moment of image transfer, the currency sheet passes between the engraved plate cylinder and the massive impression cylinder under tremendous pressure. The force embosses the paper, creating the raised, textured surface of genuine currency. At the critical moment of image transfer, the currency sheet passes between the engraved plate cylinder and the massive impression cylinder under tremendous pressure. The force embosses the paper, creating the raised, textured surface of genuine currency. The Franklin portrait edges are sharp, clean transfer. Confirmed, height 0 to 25 inches within spec. Check the serial area, 20 to 28 inches, logging it. Freshly printed sheets enter the cooling tunnel, where air stabilizes the raised ink. Workers monitor temperature and airflow to prevent the sheets from sticking together. The temperature is stable. Now properly cooled, the sheets are ready for the next stage. Portrait details are crisp, excellent ink transfer.
Noting the consistency, no variations.
Textured ink is perfect, ready for cutting. Viscosity stable, adjusting pressure. Magnified text is clear, no spreading. Confirmed, settings locked. The conveyor moves sheets past inspectors, revealing the color-changing bell in the inkwell. The bell shifts from copper to green, moving within the inkwell as the angle changes. Workers check the effect, ensuring authenticity. Under UV, the fibers and threads fluoresce as specified. Confirmed. Now for infrared. Hidden patterns are clear. Good. Finally, white light to check the color shift.
Perfect. The tilt shows the full transition.
Batch 4782A, verified. Unit 3, confirmed. Entering now. Start time 14:30, end 16:45. Input complete. Next lot, lot 305, code X7Y, verified. Logging. See the watermark and thread? Perfect alignment. Tagging these for inspection now. Color shift is flawless, ready for cutting. Verifying the threads are embedding at the correct depth. Spool levels are stable, preparing to slice. Alignment and tension are perfect. Edge to first thread, 4.98 millimeters.
Copy. Within spec.
Inner thread spacing, 12.01 millimeters. Confirmed. Text is legible. Sheet looks good. Next one.
Logging it.
Completed sheets enter the watermark station, where backlighting and sensors verify each note. Workers monitor live feeds, ensuring every watermark is clear and correctly positioned. This precision safeguards the currency's integrity against counterfeiting. Sensors aligned. Proceed with calibration. Adjusting set point to 45 grams. Log updated. Verified. Meter matches. No drift. Confirmed. Proceed to next check. Settings adjusted for thickness. Top sheet separated, feeding now. Pallet positioned and locked. Alignment good, accelerating press. Dual serials complete, checking alignment. Numbers advancing correctly, no duplicates. Magnifying this one, print is sharp. Sequence confirmed, pass it forward. Starting new batch. First head, position 1, 3. 3 set, position 2, 4. Then 5 for position 3, 4, 5. Head locked, tagging. Verified. Next head, 2, 7, 9. Proceeding. Numbers check out. Perfect quality. Tagging complete. Ready for cutting. Microtext here is crisp, no breaks.
Numeral shift is good, copper to green.
Portrait ink looks even, passing it. Agreed, no defects.
Minor ink speck, bottom row.
Noted, yellow tag applied.
Next sheet.
Counting the rejects, ink smears, and misalignments on this batch. Verifying against the report, all accounted for, moving to destruction. This batch is cleared, all checks match. Documenting, photos complete for this pallet. See the uptick in microprints on position 47? Yes, a slight increase. I'll flag it. Good, monitor it. Report signed. Front edge aligned, side columns are good, perpendicular confirmed. Clamping now, looks secure. Let's check this batch, starting with the loop. I'll run the stylus. Any fibers? Clean edge, no tearing or compression.
Stylus reading is 0.45, well within spec.
Good. Next sample. 100 even. Ready for the band. Confirmed 1000.
Loading.
Clear.
Next.
Clear. Weight is stable at 1,000 grams. Confirmed. Logging it now. Optical sensor is stable. Let's check the thickness. Thickness sensor reads 0.85 mil. Looks good. Perfect count. Machine is ready. Scan confirmed. This pallet is ready. Copy that, marking it on the board. Proceeding to the next row. Batch 23, 500 sheets, 2 rejections.
Entering. Wait, this count seems off.
Rechecking the inspection log. Okay, confirm. Confirmed. Moving to bundle quantities. All clear. Loading. Clear.
Next pallet.
Clear. This one's good to go. Okay, align it with the back. Paper sheet for this layer. Stacking the cross layer now. Looks stable. Strapping it, tagging it now. Looks good. Tension is tight. No loose ends. Scan confirmed. Pallet 12345. 100,000 hundreds. Logging it. Matches the manifest. Proceeding to pallet 12346. Ready for the next scan. Aisle 47, row B, position 12. Confirmed. Updating now. Next one. Aisle 47, row C, position 5. Scanning. Location verified. Aisle 32, positions 4 through 7 are open. Copy that. Moving to 32-4. Scanning, location confirmed. Good, on to the next one. Scanning first pallet, confirmed on log. Next pallet, scanning, matching, logged. A network of sophisticated security cameras provides continuous surveillance of every corner of the currency vault. Their presence provides the invisible security that allows the vault to function. Any breach or unauthorized action will be seen and recorded. Control room, inspection complete. Vault is secure and ready for sealing.